record on
and
time
turn.
when required at will.
Focus.
In readography,
turn.
we learn how to enhance the process of register
Focus
as well
and
as
turn.
retention in order to improve recall. Better recall
Focus
means
and
better
turn.
marks in exams for students.
Focus
Better
and
recall
turn.
results in better implementation of
Focus
concepts that
and
has been
turn.
read from the books. Better recall
Focus
makes a
and
person
turn.
better decision maker. Better recall
Focus
helps a person get
and
better
turn.
ideas. Better recall eventually
Okay.
makes life better.
That's it. That's it. Now again come back to the page where we started, from the chapter that we started. Read any page of this chapter. Read not necessarily from the beginning, any page. You can read from the beginning if you like to. Just read 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Result is a feedback of what we have done throughout the year. That is result. That is feedback. Now it is time for feedback of what we actually did. What were the feelings when you were actually reading it? You were practically reading it for the first time. It is a new chapter. So how did you felt about the new information? Huh? Very good. What else? You were imagining the information. Very good. Yes. What else? Yes. See, there can be, every student can feel something different. It is very possible because every personality is different. So, what more? Other feelings? Picture of the information was coming in. Lovely. Yes. What else? Yes. Louder. That you can feel it. Lovely. Yes. What else? Yes. I mean, I will rephrase it. You are trying to say that you already knew what it is. When you say I am reading it for the second time, it means you already knew what it is. Yes.
While I was reading, I could see the picture what is happening that in the mind.
After photo reading, I actually visualize this. Here is written that, for example, animals that live in sea include corals, whales, octopus. And I can imagine that whale is swimming, octopus are there, starfish are there, etc. etc. And sharks also.
I don't like this chapter, this subject, but when I read this, it was a very excitement for me to read this chapter.
It is more exciting to read, feeling that I should read it again and again.
Whatever I've written here, I was just imagining it, and it was lovely. I was just imagining it, and it was lovely to understand and learn it fast. I was excited for that because sir told us about that. I was just excited for that I can do it very fastly, and I promise that I'll practice it more and more.
It was interesting, just like anyone is telling us, anyone is telling me a story. So I think with this I can score good marks in exams.
While I was reading it, as sir told me, so I read I thought that okay, let's do this again. So I had already got some results before, but this time while I did it again with the new methods you said, I was actually able to finish the whole chapter, and now I'm reading it again while you said in 3-4 seconds I did all the 5 pages.
I felt like I had read it before, and another thing was that I didn't actually read the sentences or the words, but I still knew what they mean.